Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find followers on Threads. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Threads app. Click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Here in the upper section of the page and just above the edit profile option, you can see the number of followers you have. Click on it. And here are the accounts that follow me. Similarly, these are the accounts that I follow. And here you can also check the pending list of followers. And that is how you can find followers on Threads. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.